There's nowhere in the Bible it says that says God help those who help themselves. This is just something that we say. Okay, God help those who help themselves is something that we say, and it makes sense to me. I will explain. It makes sense. It's basically saying, don't be no lazy ass. Don't sit there with your hands under your ass and you sit on your hands and say, God's going to help me. I know God will help me. God's going to help me. And you don't get up and try. You have to get up and try. And I'm pretty sure God himself ain't gonna help no lazy bum. Somebody that you're lazy in your spirit, you're lazy in your mind, you're lazy in your heart. God ain't finna, that's wicked too. That's being wicked to sit there and just be like, well, I'm scared to go out, or I'm not doing nothing because God will help me. That's simply what that means. God help those who help themselves basically mean that you have to show initiative. You have to show that you deserve the help by trying to help yourself. I'm pretty sure you as a person, right? If somebody wanted you to help them and you see that the person was just a user and trying to use you for your energy while they just sit back and don't do anything, so you dig in the ground and you blood, sweat and tears to plant this food, and then this person hungry and say, oh, help me, feed me, but they won't work too. But they won't dig in the ground and blood, sweat and tears right along with you so you can break bread together. God don't like no lazy evil person. And I'm trying real hard not to be profane like our Reverend X here. I got a lot of Reverend X in me. I'm trying to keep it at subjection though. So, God help those who help themselves. It makes sense, and it doesn't say that in the Bible. In the Bible, it says, God help those who cannot help themselves. And he clearly shows that when he gave his blood on Calvary, when he gave up himself and was crucified, so that whosoever cannot help themselves against this wicked world, his shed blood on the cross will help them. God shed his blood on Calvary for us who cannot help ourselves against our very own enemy. Humans, we are no match for the devil and his army. Humans on our own, we could never defeat our enemies. But God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. Whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. That's God helping those who cannot help themselves. And that's what the Bible says. So this is coming from over here. Hold on. See if it's still here. This one.